Did you know some apps don't even need a camera or microphone access to collect data and track your activity? In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful Android privacy settings that can seriously improve your security and help protect your personal data. Let's start with the first one. Android phone have a hidden menu that most people never enable. Go to the settings, open About Phone. On your phone, tap on Software Information. On this menu, tap on Build Number several times until developer option get unlocked. Go back to the settings and open the developer option. Scroll a little down until you find Quick Setting Developer Tiles. Inside this section, there is the hidden option called Sensors Off. Turn it on. Now, pull down the notification panel and you will see a new toggle added. When you enable Sensor Off, Android disables access to the camera, microphone, and other sensors. Even the camera app stops working and shows an error because the sensor access is blocked. If you are in the private place, traveling, or just want to maximize privacy, this feature can be extremely useful. Now let's move to the next security setting. Open Settings, go to the Security and Privacy. Then open Permission Manager. This section shows every permissions app used during the last 24 hours. You can check which app access your camera, microphone, location, and more. Open any category and Android even shows the exact time each permission was used. You can also switch to the Apps tab and inspect every installed app one by one. If you notice anything suspect, remove that app immediately. You can also change the permissions or tap Do Not Allow to block access completely. The next setting is enabled by default on many phones. Just go to the Security and Privacy. Then tap More Privacy Setting. Turn off Send Diagnostic Data. At the bottom, you will also find Usage and Diagnostics, which is related to the Google services. Disable both options. This limits diagnostic data collection and may even help the battery life a little. The fourth setting is very important and many users leaves it enabled. Go to Security and Privacy. Then tap More Security Settings and open Install Unknown Apps. Apps that don't need these permissions should have it disabled. If any app has these permissions, it may be able to install APK files or unknown apps from external sources. Unless you actually need it, disable these permissions. If you're installing app using the Play Store is a safe option. And now the last setting, probably the most important one, is stay inside More Security Settings and open Device Admin Apps. You may see a list of apps here. App with admin access can perform powerful actions on your phone. Some can lock the screen, erase data, change settings, or control important functions. Tap any app and Android will show everything it can do. If you don't trust any app or don't need it anymore, disable its admin access. And one more thing, if your phone battery during fast even where you barely use it, my next video shows a hidden trick that can improve battery life in under 5 minutes. Do not forget to like this video.